If you upload object explanation videos like this on your channel, they can bring a lot of traffic. To create this type of video, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and switch to the GPTs option. Now search for Object Talk and select this GPT. Once it opens, click on Start Chat. Next, enter the name of the object you want to create. For example, I typed banana. ChatGPT gives you an output here. From this output, the first main prompt is what we'll use to generate an image. Simply copy this prompt. Now open Gemini. Select Nano Banana, paste the prompt, and generate the image. As you can see, our image is now generated. Download this image. Next, to create the video, copy the second script provided by ChatGPT. Open Google Flow. Here, select the Frame to Video option and upload the image we just generated. Now paste the copied script here and click on Generate Video. And that's it. Your video is now ready.
I turn brown fast, okay? That's chemistry, not betrayal. Eat me now or accept regret tomorrow. I turn brown fast, okay? That's chemistry, not betrayal. Eat me now.